Welcome back to online classes of Triveni Memorial Senior Secondary School. Students, today we will do class 1 EVS and chapter number 23, and the title of chapter is The Sky Above Us. In this chapter we will study about the sky above us. Let us read this chapter. When we look up in the open, we see the sky above us. Students, when we see in the open, what do we see? We see there is a sky. On a sunny day, the sky looks blue. Sunny day, the sky looks blue, and we can see the sun, while clouds and birds in the sky during the day. What do we see during the day? During the day, we see the sun, clouds and the birds in the sky during the day. You can see here it's a picture of a sunny day. Next is every evening the sun sets in the west, then it becomes dark and night falls. Students, the sun rises in the morning and sets in the west, and it becomes dark at the sets. When the sun sets, there is a cloud, there is a darkness everywhere, and the night falls. This is an example of sunset. Now students, the sun shines brightly, it gives us heat and light. Do you know the sun shines very brightly and we get heat and light from the sun. Sun gives us heat and light. Every morning the sun rises in the east and brings a new day. And the sun rises from which direction the sun rises? The sun rises from the east and it brings a new day. At night, millions of stars twinkle in the sky. We also see the moon. It gives us light at night. In the night, we see the millions of stars there, and the stars twinkle in the sky, and we see the moon. It gives us light, and the moon gives who gives us light at night? Moon. We see moon at night, and moon gives light at the night. Okay. The sun and the stars are bigger than the earth. Students, the sun and star are very bigger than the earth. Earth is the smaller than from the suns and the stars. They look small because they are very far from the earth. Why the stars and the suns look very small? Because they are very far away from the earth, so it looks so small. On a rainy day, we can see very dark clouds in the sky. Sometimes they hide the sun. The sky looks grey in color. Dark clouds being rains. Students, on a rainy day, we see there are very dark clouds in the sky, and the clouds bring the rain. Clouds bring the rain, and the sky look grey in the color at the time of rainy day. And on a rainy day, what do we use? We use umbrella, raincoat, gumboots to getting the wet from the rain. Now students, picture of rainbow. When the sun comes out after it rains, when the suns come after it rains, we sometimes see a rainbow. And it looks very beautiful. It has 7 colors. It has 7 colors, students, and it looks very beautiful. Rainbow has 7 colors and it looks very beautiful in the sky. After rain, we see a rainbow in the sky. Tick the correct answers. It's time to do exercise. I give heat and light to the earth. I am the sun. I am a band of 7 colors. I am a rainbow. Tick the correct answer. You can see dark clouds on a rainy day, night and holiday. Rainy day, on a rainy day we can see dark clouds. Dash clouds brings rain. Which clouds? Dark clouds. Okay, name this picture. Use the help box. These are stars, And whose picture this? Sun, S-U-N, sun. Next is moon, M-O-O-N, moon. Next is cloud, C-L-O-U-D, cloud. Next is bird, B-I-R-D, bird. Helicopter, H-E-L-I-C-O-P-T-E-R, aeroplane, A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E, kite. Next is kite, K-I-T-E, kite. Now we will do the difficult words. Sunny, S-U-N-N-Y, sunny, B-L-U-E, blue, E-V-E-N-I-N-G, evening. Brightly, B-R-I-G-H-T-L-Y. Millions, M-I-L-L-I-O-N-S. Twinkle, T-W-I-N-K-L-E. Light, L-I-G-H-T. Night, N-I-G-H-T. Bigger, B-I-G-E-R. Grey, G-R-E-Y. Color, C-O-L-O-U-R. Rainbow, R-A-I-N-B-O-W. Beautiful, B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Now we will do the question answer related to these chapters. How many colors can you see in a rainbow? We can see 7 colors in a rainbow. Where does the sun rise? The sun rises in the east direction. And where does the sun set? The sun sets in the west direction. What can you see in the sky during the day? We can see the sun, white clouds and birds in the sky during the day. What do we hear? What do we hear on a rainy day? We hear thunder on a rainy day. And why do stars look very small in the sky? Students, the stars look very small in the sky because they are very far away. They are very far away from the earth. So students, today's your work is to revise this chapter with the help of video. See you again in next video. Bye bye.